Your critical equipment drives your business, so when it's down, you lose sales and risk disappointing customers. But what if you could get more from your most valuable assets? More uptime, more lifetime, and more return on your investment. With ServiceChannel, you can. It starts simply. We partner with you and trusted experts to catalog every asset across your locations, creating a centralized asset register in the ServiceChannel platform. Now you can track all your asset details in a single database, from serial numbers and conditions to operating costs and maintenance histories. Creating work orders becomes effortless. Just scan the QR code on any asset with the ServiceChannel app, or select it right from the list. Now your service providers can immediately see detailed asset information, so they can arrive with the right parts to fix it on the first visit. Plus, the platform automatically routes repairs under warranty to the right provider, so you never miss out on free fixes. But prevention is even better than fast repairs. To identify emerging issues before they lead to costly downtime, the platform automatically executes your preventive maintenance schedules, with each activity tracked in a detailed checklist. As your business evolves, your equipment can move or get replaced. Our mobile app makes it easy to validate and update asset information, ensuring your data remains complete and accurate. And by tracking your refrigerant leaks, you can stay compliant with changing regulations, improve sustainability, and minimize costs. With detailed insights into asset reliability and operating expenses, you can make smart capital planning decisions and reduce your total cost of ownership. Even smarter, when your connected assets detect potential issues, they can automatically generate work orders in the ServiceChannel platform, so you can prevent disruption and keep your operations running smoothly. Ready to see how ServiceChannel can protect your assets and boost your return on investment? Request your custom demo today at ServiceChannel.com.